Hey there, fellow project managers and JIRA enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the ins and outs of JIRA project management. Today, we're going to show you how to track the progress of a sprint using the burndown chart in JIRA. So let's dive right in. To begin, make sure you have JIRA set up with your project and sprints. Once you're in the project, navigate to the report section and select your desired sprint. Now, take a look at this magnificent burndown chart. It's a visual representation of your sprint progress over time. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. First, let's understand the different components of the chart. The vertical axis represents the remaining work or effort, and the horizontal axis shows the sprint timeline. The gray line represents the ideal trend of work completion. The chart also displays a red line that shows the actual remaining work. This line should ideally follow the gray line, but deviations can help us identify any issues or adjustments needed. Next, let's analyze the chart to gain insights into our sprint progress. As the sprint progresses, the actual remaining work line should gradually trend downwards, approaching or even intersecting the ideal trend line. If the actual line is above the ideal line, it means we have more work remaining than planned. Conversely, if the actual line is below the ideal line, it suggests we are ahead of schedule. Now that we understand the chart, it's time to take action based on the insights we gather. If the actual line deviates significantly from the ideal trend, it's an indicator that we need to make adjustments. You can drill down into the chart to view detailed information about the specific tasks, identify blockers, or reassess priorities. Use this data to make informed decisions, collaborate with your team, and keep the sprint on track. And there you have it, folks. A quick guide on how to leverage the burndown chart in JIRA to track your sprint progress effectively. Remember to utilize this powerful tool to identify bottlenecks, adapt your plans, and deliver projects with agility. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel at Tech with Just Jingle Tingle for more exciting JIRA tips and tricks. Until next time, happy sprinting!